While I'm at this, I'll show you to change a fan on a older, like a DA model or Statotronic or dual Statotronic. You take the head off, you untwist the, unlock the bag. Anyway, there's 3 screws on the body housing. There's one there. You unscrew those. This thing slides off, and then you undo the screws on the fan case. The front of the fan case comes off, and it comes apart quite easily, just like the. Here it is too. Go ahead and pull the cord, and just grab a hold of this little power button. Just pops right off. There's the dual or Statotronic without its body cover. I just take that screw, screws off the back, and the fan, and then you can just pop the fan. Now that you have the screws out of the fan case, come open. Be careful about the wires in here for your safety switch, because they run through the front. So we have the Kirby fan housing on its side. Down there you can see where the end of that goes. There's a little hole in there. I just use a small screwdriver that goes down in there. Then you just take a nail or something pointed and stick into this hole here. And then you rotate this clockwise, and it should come right off. There's your middle fan off. To install a Lexan or Kevlar fan, you first put spacer on. That's like a spacer like this middle fan has built in. Then with Lexan fans, they don't have a washer in the back. They just rub up against this metal spacer. Kevlar fans have a little clear nylon washer. Then you place the fan on here. Then you place metal washer. And then finally your drive spindle, your belt spindle, that goes on there, and you screw that on. And then you put a Kevlar fan on. I'm going to install this metal fan off the other Kirby I just showed. That other Kirby's bearings need to be replaced badly, so I don't use it. Here's the Lexan and middle fan side by side. You see the veins on the middle fan are much deeper and straighter comparative to the Lexan. See how much curve they have and how straight these fan blades are. So installing this fan on here is pretty straightforward. You just, with the metal fan, there's no spacers or washers. The whole fan's one unit. Just slide it onto the shaft. Go ahead and manage to get it on there. Just slide it on. And then use something to stop the armature from turning. All I'm doing is just holding this screwdriver against the armature fan while I screw this on. Put a fan on, usually I just screw it on finger tight is enough for it, because as it runs it will tighten. You should be back to this point. Should have the leftover screws, just follow the directions reverse. When reinstalling the safety switch, there's just a little rod in here, and it goes through a loop that comes through from a mechanical linkage. It comes from the rear of the machine through the bottom of the fan case and sticks out here. Just drop that in there, put the 2 screws in it, and it's functioning. Yeah, I like it a lot better than the ones with the wires running through. This machine, I installed a metal fan on it, so I'll get it put back together, and we'll see how this increases this machine's performance over its beat up Lexan fan.